This is the final video to fix Starfield crashing on Windows 11, and if your game keeps closing unexpectedly, pay attention. Are you facing the problem where Starfield crashes while launching or during gameplay on your PC? This usually happens because your graphics drivers are outdated, system files are missing, or game settings overload your PC. Sometimes simple glitches or hidden conflicts between Windows and the game make Starfield crash without warning. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long tweaks, risky commands, or confusing tool installs that take forever and often do not work. On Rexist, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that stops Starfield from crashing and lets the game run smoothly. This trick updates the right drivers, checks and repairs game files, and sets optimal settings so Windows and Starfield work together correctly. You do not need advanced skills or extra apps. I tested this method multiple times, and it works every time without stress. This solution saves time and gets you back into the game fast. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexis always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix your Starfield crash the smart way.